This video will guide you through reviewing a distribution agreement. Distribution Agreement Review is a frequently requested service on the Contracts Council platform since both distributors and suppliers want to understand the terms before signing. If you have received a distribution agreement and need to review it, then this video is for you. Before we start, just a brief disclaimer. The following information is provided for educational purposes and in no way constitutes legal advice. For legal advice, we encourage you to consult a licensed attorney. We have also provided more information in the description, including how to find a lawyer. We will cover top considerations when reviewing a distribution agreement, key terms to find and understand in your document, costs to hire a lawyer for review. We have also added a link in the description below with information on legal fees. Now let's get started. Top considerations for distribution agreements. Distribution agreements are legally binding documents that outline the terms and conditions under which a distributor will market and sell a supplier's products. Before diving into specific terms, here are some top considerations to keep in mind. Scope of distribution. Ensure the agreement clearly defines the territories and markets in which the distributor is allowed to operate and sell the supplier's products. Product terms. Understand the specifics of the products being distributed, including prices, delivery schedules, and any minimum purchase requirements. Exclusivity. Look for any exclusivity clauses that may restrict the supplier from appointing other distributors in the same territory. Compliance with laws. Ensure the agreement complies with relevant local, state, and federal laws, including trade regulations and industry-specific laws. Consider hiring a lawyer. It is always recommended to hire a lawyer to help review a distribution agreement. They can ensure the document is legally compliant, help you understand industry standard terms, and coach you on negotiations. We have included a link in the description to help you find one. Key terms to understand. Distribution agreements contain many important terms that you should understand. Here are some key terms to look for. 1. Parties involved. Ensure that the names and details of both the distributor and the supplier are correctly stated. Make sure the full legal names of the entities or individuals are used. 2. Scope of distribution. Review the section that specifies the territories and markets where the distributor is allowed to operate and sell the supplier's products. 3. Product terms. Check the specifics of the products being distributed, including prices, delivery schedules, and any minimum purchase requirements. 4. Exclusivity clauses. Understand any exclusivity clauses that may prevent the supplier from appointing other distributors in the same territory. 5. Payment terms. Review the payment terms, including the price of the products, payment schedule, and any discounts or incentives. 6. Termination conditions. Review the conditions under which the agreement can be terminated by either party, including any notice periods and penalties for early termination. 7. Liability and indemnification. Review the liability and indemnification clauses to understand each party's responsibilities and protections in case of losses or damages. 8. Intellectual property rights. Ensure there are terms addressing the use of trademarks, logos, and branding, and who retains the intellectual property rights. And 9. Dispute resolution. Review the methods for resolving disputes related to the agreement, such as mediation, arbitration, or court litigation. Average costs to hire a lawyer. Hiring a lawyer to review your distribution agreement is advisable. Contracts Council's marketplace allows you to post your project and receive competitive bids from lawyers to compare. Based on recent data, the average cost to review a distribution agreement is $620 on a flat fee basis. This is based on dozens of recent projects from across various U.S. states. Legal fees can vary based on the following factors. State or location. Lawyer fees may vary based on where they are located. For example, a lawyer in New York City will likely have a higher rate than a lawyer in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Length of contract. Given lawyers traditionally bill by the hour, a longer contract with more pages will require more of their time, which can make the legal costs higher. Complexity of terms. If there are complicated terms in the agreement, it can increase legal fees since it will require the lawyer to spend more time working on the project. Service required. You can hire lawyers for different services. If you simply need the contract reviewed and explained, this will be a lower fee than also needing the contract redlined and negotiated. Reviewing a distribution agreement is crucial in ensuring you understand all the terms of the arrangement and protect your rights accordingly. If you need help from an experienced lawyer, feel free to search Contracts Counsel or visit contractscounsel.com and post a job to get quotes from lawyers to help you. Thanks for watching.